Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've created this colourful cut crease look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give it a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, continue watching to see how I got this look. So I've done my face off camera just because I know that this eye look will take a little bit longer. So yeah, I've done all my face, but will leave the products down in the description below. So I'm gonna do a cut crease look, but I'm gonna be taking just a lip liner, Savvy, just so I can outline, that way I don't stuff it up. So the first shade I'll be taking is this yellow shade. I'm using the Morphe and James Charles palette. I'm gonna do like a colourful cut crease. Okay, so going in with that B colour, I'm just gonna slowly pack it on. See how pigmented that is already? Holy crap. Okay, so I'll put that yellow on, and then I'm going in with 518, this orange shade next. So I'll be just putting that along the middle of the crease. These shades are so nice in this palette. This is going to be a little back and forth with all the colours. It just takes time to do this. Next shade I'll be taking is You're Kidding, this red colour. This red is such a pretty colour. This palette is definitely very pigmented as well. Just bringing that to the orange, and then I'll go back in with the orange and then bring it back out. The next shade I'll be taking is Love That, this purple. Again, I'm going to go back and forth with all the shades as well. I done my face off camera just because I knew this was going to take a little while to do. I'm actually really happy with that so far. It'll look much better once it's done, I promise. This look was inspired by Keely MUA. She is an Irish makeup artist and she does amazing work. The next shade I'll be taking is Skip. That'll just go on the end. I may just wing it a little bit. That's insane. I haven't used this pink for a little while and I actually forgot how intense it is. I'm just gonna go back in with Love That, just so I can bring that colour back up. So I'm going to be going back in with the B colour, and then I'll be going in with Social Blade, this green shade. don't pick up any like cool tones. If you notice, I'm more of like a warm tone fan. I don't know, but I like to experiment, so I'm experimenting now. Next shade I'm going in with is Playground. Living for this blue. Such a pretty blue shade. Just going back and forth again with this side as I did to this side. What do you guys think of me doing a Q&A? Let me know if you want me to do one. If you do, give me some questions to answer as well in the comments below or on my Instagram. Next shade I'll be taking is Single, this one. Next shade I'll be going in is Escape. Just at the end of the crease is where I'm going to put it. Whoa, I love this. Nice and colourful, I love it. So my camera died, so I just cut out the crease. And now all I'm going to be doing is just pretty much going from like purple in the center along the line, just on the crease on the top, and then I'll do blue, green and yellow. You'll see what I'll do. So this is what I did with the eye, and then I'm gonna do the same but the pink at the front and then work its way for this eye as well. Looks pretty cool, very time consuming, and I look like an absolute freak, but it'll look good when I get lashes on and everything. So this is what the other eye looks like. This is really time consuming and I really hope it doesn't look crap to you guys. This is just experimenting with different colours and cut crease. This is like the second time I've done cut crease now, so just trying something different. I'm just going to be going in with Morphe concealer, which is the white one. And I'll just be putting the white in like the center of where I did the colours. You'll see. So I did my eyes. I'll be going to skip putting it not all over, but just along where my lashes are, and then I'll bring it out. I am going to clean this up, don't you worry. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. So I cleaned it up. Tell me what you guys think of this look. This is, I think the hard part is done pretty much. It's just really time consuming. So I'm pretty much just going to do like the yellow, orange, red, purple and pink on my bottom, and then yellow, green, blue and purple on this under eye. Okay, so eyeshadow is done. How are you liking it, guys? So for lashes, I'll be taking Roller Lash by Benefit. And I'm gonna try out for lashes, Holy Grail Cosmetics. So I've just had to film on my phone just because my camera has been playing up today. I went and put my lashes on from Holy Grail Cosmetics. And then I just put on Jeffree Star Mannequin lipstick on as well, and chuck some earrings on. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give you a close-up look of it. Okay, so I hope you like this finished look. If you do like it, please give it a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Really means the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!